Welcome to Bikaner City, a visual delight. Here, you'll experience the captivating charm of this ancient city situated in the heart of Rajasthan, India. Step into the bustling streets and explore the vibrant markets filled with colorful textiles, intricate handicrafts, and aromatic spices. Immerse yourself in the rich heritage as you wander through the magnificent Junagadh Fort. Admire the intricate carvings, majestic architecture, and stunning courtyards that reflect the grandeur of the bygone era. Take a stroll through the narrow lanes of the old city, where age-old havelis stand as a testament to the city's architectural brilliance. Indulge in the flavors of Bikaner as you savor the famous Bikaneri bhujia, a mouthwatering snack that will leave you craving for more. Lose yourself in spirituality as you visit the Karni Mata temple, famously known as the Rat Temple. Witness the unique sight of thousands of rats freely roaming the temple premises, considered sacred by devotees. Don't miss the opportunity to witness the magnificent Camel Festival, a celebration of the city's majestic ship of the desert. Experience the thrill of camel races, folk performances, and traditional music that will leave you mesmerized. As the sun sets, the city comes alive with a magical aura. The majestic palaces and forts glimmer under the golden hues, creating a breathtaking sight. Bikaner City is truly a visual delight, offering an unforgettable blend of history, culture, and beauty. Come immerse yourself in this enchanting city and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed this visual delight of Bikaner City, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more incredible travel experiences from around the world.